corrupt. Even our crops.
No, I don't say well, we corrupt.
We not corrupt.
Una welcome back. But the thing what they talk about say we are this is corrupt.
No.
We carry problem of landlord and tenant. Go Ministry of Housing. They not be solve the case. Is that not corruption?
Them corrupt.
No.
Yes, it's corruption.
No.
Them, not we.
My people make a welcome una properly. Although we corrupt.
No, sometimes the thing they pass our power. Nobody say they no for soldier. Because I don't go report for police station say somebody beat my brother. When I reach here, police where soldier beat. Then the police they tackle their own case. They beat our own person too. So you can wait and beg. We say who beat you? You go better than civil beat your brother. Soldier and beat our own person. Then we try solve problem.
But I don't say we Nigerians we don't date city. We call the see things the other way. If we see green, they say as yellow. So no, maybe everything they okay.
We don't use
just imagine say okay, some association of one estate elegant court carry petition go Ministry of Housing. The ministry instead they call the two parties together. They first call the landlord to first hear with it because they all of them they work. Is that not corruption?
That's corruption.
No, you call the two parties and sort the case.
No, they want confirm first. They go confirm. They're not corrupt.
Okay. So we'll go on that. Producer say we'll go on that story. But in case you get news, you know as we do. I'm here. You get any news headline, like say you read any topic at all, whether not for TV or not for paper. If not for paper, you could just tell us the name of the paper, tell us the news headline. We will go find the paper. We will come here, contact and the way we go switch it for body. Our email never see change. I say EYE DEY RED at wazobiatv.tv or follow us for Twitter. We'll be at EYE DEY RED. We will go come here, talk and we go totori for body. Shakolo, what's happening?
No,
I mean, they tell you
the corruption no let me know we want.
I don't even know who I want to talk to yourself.
Well, that's corruption.
That's corruption. Still on the corruption matter, but this time
that's misleading.
Corruption lead to another issue on a corruption go collabi.
Yes.
This story now you go really surprised on how we classify as corruption on your own level. Where 16 years old boy go rob 152 years old woman, come rape the woman. When they can't catch the boy can't say na evil spirit.
No evil spirit, na corruption.
No, that is a
so
criminal
who calls am evil spirit or corruption?
Na corruption.
No, criminal heart.
Corrupt.
Yes, 16
the
years
evil
old.
Spirit, they corrupt.
52.
The evil spirit, they corrupt.
See.
For Lambe.
See, man, I don't know the angle that they look matter from. If 16
Lambe.
years old boy, I know how 16-year-old person bone they be. For strong, if you like, make you tall. 50, how many years old woman? 52 years old woman should be able to defend herself for where 16 years old boy
did.
Excuse me.
She want them. She wanted it. She told me that thing.
Boy,
she want them.
listen, bro.
16 years old, no go fit force.
Yes, I know as a level they listen, go tell his neighbor to Shakara wait. The boy carry weapon. Correct gun knife. Come tell and say in men they outside. So make she cooperate so all the men no go enter, only him go do the thing. Now woman. Bros, now woman, she go fear. I mean, learn what you think. Where Shakara they say the woman need that.
I don't think anything. All I know is corruption.
Even 16 years ago.
I don't think anything.
16 years ago, 52.
Well. Still on the matter, that one don't go 52 years old woman when one guy go rape. Well, this one now for NYC camp during the process they do service. One guy, the guy just spy himself because of his girlfriend.
I don't understand.
He by himself.
He won't be another Jesus for his girlfriend.
The level will be say the lady. If you say no, say normally when they camp, no just enjoy ourselves. The lady take her like that. Not say the guy take the thing serious.
Okay, you want to take her to permanent site.
Permanent site. But the girl now just dey for temper site.
Oh, so the girl now just to speak. But the guy take the thing say no.
Take her serious.
Come on here, will continue.
Game.
That's the corruption.
And at the thing even they come from the girl.
So the boy can't kill himself because of that matter.
I will die.
Corruption.
Now relationship corruption.
Yes, it's relationship corruption.
That is a suicide criminal heart.
But that boy is stupid. Hey, wait, primary school, you know kill yourself.
About.
Secondary school, you know kill yourself. University, you know kill yourself.
You don't come to the work, make your mama and your papa. You are.
No, look at
me. Even those say
now. That's emotional death. Emotional death. Look at suicide emotion.
Why you not kill yourself when your ex-girlfriend?
No, I dey get things that I dey enjoy things. I dey enjoy things there. But the guy maybe dey. If he be man server, he don't dey true. I never touched woman before. But you can't get hope. Don't say some people be like that. They never see woman for their life.
Never touch woman.
Never touch woman.
You know why? Now, person they never break in heart before. People like us, we be say we dey carry cement waka. As they break out with the patch. As they break out with the patch.
My boots.
I
rather that way they inside. 40. As they break, I don't go my back.
This kind boy, if he die, go heaven. The kind question where angels go ask him. The kind question angels go ask him.
As they come, like
when you die,
then
come.
they carry
One
cow.
waiting bring you come.
You know those cowboy koboko they wait for them.
Oh God.
that guy gets another reason. He gave a team make him kill himself. He just used that one.
But that's straight say at the end, Nigerian person will kill himself. You know, say get one story for one year we hang himself.
Yes.
Because say the boy live am. I know understand. That's what the love for this age when I know say love now they see like stadium light. Before I love blind and now love love they look like this. Love don't even get PVC 1 vote.
You know, I can't notice. You know, say those days when people break up. When they say people break up, they'll come they lonely for a long time.
Before you even cut in the beginning date. This one before you even break up.
I want to get myself.
Before you even break up, one backup playground.
Backup day. Plan B.
Plan B. That guy not try.
Because you see, he get one girl for my BBM list. You know, again when I be the check am, but she know the green say she get guy, she only put the guy picture.
Yeah,
so recently, she called the ping me. I go ask her, say, what about your guy? She say answer my greeting and stop asking me question.
Since Shakara know this guy, you tell us the last
you see this.
Now you go to analyze this topic well.
No be say
because of your area of specialization.
No be as Ashawo.
Nobody asks you whether I ask anything.
No, now as person we don't travel wide.
Yes.
You know, don't see things.
Out of experience.
I'm like always say.
Lorry, why not? All those people we don't travel, go those places.
Hey, don't mind him. Well, what I have here is that don't mind them. Don't mind them. What I have here, a shower teacher. He give 13 school girls belle.
Not only one.
Not be only one, no. Yeah. I know, and the thing for no even leak. Now one.
HIV is.
This guy like to give people belle.
Give 13 school girls. You know HIV is. Now you know when you give nothing, when you give
nothing give.
See. The man,
you don't see how
and you know why I don't go forgive this man? Because I've been able to say na belle, not even good. Now HIV AIDS. I wish I get this skin. Where somebody call OPG for me, I beg. When I give us screen, bottle, helicopter and gun, who just kill them?
13 school girls, how manage?
Just like that.
Okay, all of them won't get mark.
Now by mark. All this kind of teacher now so now by mark.
You see, this is corruption.
And now pupils. Now be see they say pupils. Now primary school.
Primary school.
Yes.
Primary school they bear pupils, sabi?
Yes, now primary school.
So for Adamawa, all those kind of primary school then go don't grow things.
So those are not be pupils again.
See, most especially for that part of Nigeria. You get some of those men, they don't really know what to be this HIV AIDS. The guy if he get them, make him know. You understand?
Okay, make it for no bring quarrel here. We need to go now because time no they give. If you check your time, go see time don't go. This now red eye.
Not the same thing.
Not the same thing. Red eye, the red. Be say red and eye they inside. Una know what they talk. We don't talk to small boy. We get talent to sing. Don't they follow Bob Marley as his own mentor? Also our ex-president as he leave Nigeria matter. Begin so Gary for office. God is watching you. And also the man where Mike Wallace and Frank Frickery. How did they call him?
Farrakhan.
Okay. Frank Frickery. No be pidgin names. I know if you pronounce them. Don't forget say this na I they read and now here we tell you discuss matter. We be like say they really happen. Make it for switch you for body. If you get the news you want more to talk send and give us who will go come here go talk Make una not forget say now here now we take end the matter for today. I may not be like say I know be ex-president.
As I don't give us time, self, anything provoke us.
I know they
this
do
news
anything.
no take them again.
Do anything.
Next time,
Not be everybody corrupt.